This is the question asked in today's skillrack daily challenge. So we will be given an integer matrix as input. So this integer matrix will always contain 4 rows and 3 columns, and the integers in this matrix will always be of 2 digits. So the integers will always contain 2 digits, and using this integer matrix our task is to find the time. So the first column and the second column, so like this every column of the matrix represents a time. So we have to find a time in the pattern HHMMSS. So in this format we have to find the time. So the first column of the matrix is 0 0 1 0. So now that will be the first H, and then 0 0 0 0. So this will be the second H, and then the third column, so this will be the first M, and then the fourth column will be the second M, and then fifth column will be the first S, and the sixth column will be the second S. So using these columns we have to find the time. So now let us take the first column. So the first column is 0 0 1 0. So this is nothing but the first column. So 0 0 1 0. So now we have to find the decimal value of this binary representation. So when we convert this value into decimal, we will be getting 2. So in our output first we are printing 2. Now we have to take the second column. So the second column is 0 0 0 0. So for this binary representation the decimal value will also be 0. So we are printing 0 as the second H. And then the third column is 0 1 0 0. So for 0 1 0 0 the decimal value will be 4. So we are printing 4 in our output in the place of first M. And then like this we will be moving to every next column, and we will be finding the time in the required pattern. So finally after iterating through all columns, this is the time which we get. Now let us see how to write a C program for this. So first I am creating a 2-dimensional integer array named mat, in which we will be storing our input matrix. So the input matrix will be of 4 rows and 3 columns. So I am creating a loop accordingly. So the I loop iterates for 4 times and the j loop iterates for 3 times. So in every iteration we will accept an integer and we will store it into the matrix at the index ij. So now we have accepted our input, and now our task is to convert the binary to decimal for each and every column of the matrix. So here we will be iterating through every column. So first we will be iterating through the first and then the next column. So like that we will be iterating column wise. So totally we have 3 columns. So the column loop iterates from 0 till column less than 3. And in every iteration we are creating 2 integer variables, 1, 2 and power. So initially we are setting all the values to 0. And then the row loop will be iterating from last. So the row loop starts from 3 and iterates till row greater than or equal to 0. So in every iteration this row loop will calculate the value of HH, MM and SS. So first I am storing the integer into an integer named val. So I am setting val is equal to matrix of row column. So now the last digit will be val mod 10 and the first digit will be val by 10 mod 10. So our input will always contain only 2 digits. So we are just writing condition specifically. So now the last digit will be the second value of H, and the first digit will be the first value of H. So if val mod 10 is equal to 1, then we will be incrementing 2 with the power of 2 raised to the power. Similarly, if val by 10 mod 10 is equal to 1, then we have to add the value of 2 power with the variable 1. So I am setting 1 plus is equal to power of 2 power, and in every iteration we have to increment the power. So after the execution of this row loop, we would have calculated the decimal values of H, MM and SS. So first we have to print 1 and then 2. So that is the order. So using a printf statement, we are printing the values of the variables 1 and 2. And the HH, MM, SS, everything should be separated using a colon. So whenever the value of the variable COL is not equal to 2, we are going to print a colon. So this is the logic to solve today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.